Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Iggy, and today we're diving into something super exciting. 3 shipping companies that are absolutely crushing it with their earnings. Now, before you yawn thinking shipping is boring, let me tell you why this matters to your portfolio. Think about that Amazon package you ordered last week or that fancy new iPhone you're using. How did they get to you? That's right, ships. The shipping industry is like the blood vessels of global trade, keeping everything flowing smoothly. All right, folks, Iggy here, and let's dive deeper into Yangzijiang Shipbuilding, or YZJ, as I like to call it. This isn't just some small shipyard. We're talking about a major player in China's shipbuilding scene. Their recent performance is seriously impressive. We saw their revenue jump by 15.3% to a hefty RMB 13 billion in the first half of 2024. But the real kicker? Their profit absolutely skyrocketed by 77.2%, hitting RMB 3.1 billion. That's a massive increase, showing they're not just bringing in more money, they're becoming way more efficient at turning that revenue into pure profit. This kind of growth isn't just luck. It points to strong management and a smart business strategy. When a company can boost its profits by that much, it's a clear sign they're doing something right. It's like finding a hidden gem in the stock market. You know there's potential for even greater returns down the road. And hold on tight, because the story gets even more exciting. YZJ's order book, as of November 2024, is sitting at a staggering $22.1 billion. Let that sink in for a moment. That's like having a mountain of secured projects lined up, guaranteeing income for years to come. It's like having a super secure job that pays extremely well for a very long time. This huge backlog gives them a solid foundation and reduces the risk of sudden downturns. They've also recently snagged new contracts for 21 vessels, totaling a cool $2.6 billion. This continuous stream of new orders further strengthens their position and paints a bright picture for their future. This isn't a one-hit wonder. This is a company consistently securing its future. The demand for various types of ships is projected to climb steadily in the coming years, with growth rates anticipated at 3.1% for container ships, 2.5% for oil tankers, and a substantial 5.5% for LPG carriers through 2029. This means YZJ is perfectly positioned to ride this wave of increasing demand, potentially leading to even more impressive results. All right, let's dive deeper into Beng Kwang Marine, or BKM as I like to call them. These guys aren't just fixing rusty ships, they're building a whole new business model. Think of them as the ship doctors, the crane constructors, and the anti-rust warriors all rolled into one. What really caught my eye is their remarkable comeback. They've navigated some seriously choppy waters in the past, but now they're riding a wave of success. We're talking about a 62.8% surge in revenue for the first 9 months of 2024. That's not just a little bump, that's a significant leap. And get this, their profit before tax multiplied 5 times. That kind of growth speaks volumes about the changes they've made. It shows they are doing something right and are in a strong position. This isn't just luck. It's a testament to their strategic shifts and smart decisions. Now, they're not stopping there. They're already working on BKM 2.0, which sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's actually a smart plan for the future. They're focusing on forging strategic partnerships, exploring new business ventures, and streamlining their operations to stay efficient. In the competitive marine industry, staying agile and adaptable is key, and BKM seems to understand this perfectly. This forward-thinking approach is what sets them apart. They're not just reacting to the market, they're actively shaping their future. This proactive strategy, coupled with their recent financial performance, paints a promising picture for BKM. It's definitely a company worth keeping an eye on, especially if you're interested in the marine and offshore sector here in Singapore. Now, let's dive into Singapore Shipping Corporation, or SSC. These folks are involved in a wide range of maritime activities. They own and operate a fleet of vessels, provide ship management services, and even handle terminal operations. Think of them as a one-stop shop for various shipping needs. Looking at their recent financial performance, we see some interesting trends. Their revenue saw a healthy increase of 10.6%, reaching $25.3 million. This indicates a growing demand for their services in the market. While their operating profit experienced a slight dip, it's important to consider the bigger picture. Their net profit actually skyrocketed by an impressive 72%. This significant jump can be attributed to strategic currency exchange management, which highlights their financial savvy. Moreover, they're generating strong cash flow, with $11.7 million flowing in during just 6 months. This cash flow is crucial for reinvestment, debt repayment, and potential dividend payouts to shareholders. Focusing further on SSC, it's worth noting the diverse nature of their business. They aren't just relying on one aspect of the shipping industry. By being involved in vessel ownership, management, and terminal operations, they diversify their revenue streams and reduce reliance on any single market segment. This diversification can be a key strength, especially in a cyclical industry like shipping. The 10.6% revenue growth to $25.3 million demonstrates their ability to capture market share and capitalize on opportunities. The substantial 72% net profit increase, driven by astute currency management, reveals their financial acumen and ability to maximize profitability. Generating $11.7 million in cash flow in just half a year is a testament to their operational efficiency and financial health. This strong cash position provides them with the flexibility to pursue growth initiatives, weather potential economic downturns, and reward shareholders. These factors together paint a picture of a company navigating the complexities of the shipping industry with skill and foresight. All right, Iguana investors, let's dive deeper into why these shipping companies have caught my reptilian eye. It's not just about them floating on water, it's about the strong currents pushing them forward. First off, they're all riding the wave of growth in a crucial industry. Global trade is the lifeblood of our modern economy, and shipping is the artery. Think about it. Everything from your new phone to the coffee you sip in the morning likely arrived by sea. According to the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, UNCTAD, maritime transport carries over 80% of global merchandise trade by volume. That's a massive market. These companies aren't just participating, they're expanding their operations, increasing their fleet sizes, and securing long-term contracts, all signs of robust growth within this essential sector. This is not just a short-term blip. It reflects the continued reliance on maritime transport for international commerce. Now, diversification is key in any portfolio, and these shipping companies get it. They're not putting all their eggs in one basket, or should I say all their containers on one ship. They've got diverse revenue streams, which is super important in a cyclical industry like shipping. For example, some might specialize in container shipping, transporting finished goods, while others focus on bulk carriers, hauling raw materials like iron ore and coal. Some even dabble in specialized vessels for transporting liquids like oil and gas. This diversification acts as a buffer against market fluctuations. If one sector experiences a downturn, the others can help keep the ship afloat, so to speak. This strategic approach to revenue generation demonstrates a resilience and adaptability that I look for in any investment. Remember though, shipping is a cyclical industry. It's like surfing. You need to catch the right wave at the right time. These companies are showing strength now, but always do your own research before investing. The shipping industry might not be as flashy as tech or as exciting as crypto, but it's the backbone of global trade. These three companies have shown they know how to navigate the waters of international commerce and come out stronger. Speaking of strong performance, if you haven't watched my recent video, 96% gains Yangzijiang explodes, you're missing out on some incredible insights about YZJ's massive stock price surge. I break down exactly what drove those gains and what might come next. That's all for today, friends. If you found this analysis helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe to join our growing community of smart investors. Remember, in investing, sometimes the least flashy sectors deliver the most explosive returns. Stay smart, stay invested, and I'll see you in the next video.